So what's up guys, it's another edition of the review and music and stuff. So I want you to hit that subscribe button and the like button, and don't forget to leave a comment and share, okay? Now today we're gonna review Ayetian song, Designer. It's a pretty new song.
Hot me, I get hot in a place, and bag of diamond lock in a chain, and bag of millions lock in a saving pan.
So basically what he's saying here, he's getting hot in the place, like take off all your clothes type of hot, and sun hot be that type of hot, and bag of millions lock in a saving pan, self-explanatory. You gotta save.
Saving pan. I thought making money fall need umbrella. Bank a bar, no cheese and leather. Fully dark, a bomb flinger, fuck up the boulevard. Rich, anytime I see me bully card.
So here he says, bomb fling and freak up the boulevard. He's on some Asian shit, some suicidal type, commie bullshit. You know what I mean? Rich, time you see the pull a saving card. That mean, that's some black card shit, some Swish account type of shit.
Bitch, y'all a bubble in a Louis Jazz. If you look up and not see me, I make like you're looking at. Designer look good whenever you put it on. Designer pum pum while you're carrying in your shorts.
Designer pum pum or shoving a jazz. Designer look good anytime she puts it on. Clear comparison there. She's got that designer vagina.
I'm me alone, you fi having your thoughts. 39 good, so better listen when me talk. Yes, you don't talk. Room full of shoes where you see they can't pass. Me say yes, I'm too small, no see when me want park. I know me can't believe I said they can't fast.
Clearly he's a kind of a jealous person. He's the only one she should have on her mind and stuff. And can't believe so the car fast, can't believe so the small, I don't know where to park. He's driving that Hummer, a big black Benz type of shit.
Switch and dark up the shift. Force the car and it on me dark so boom me. And nobody can talk up to me. 7.62 use car copy clip weight.
Again, that's designer bullets, 7.62. You can Google that stuff. Very, very known stuff.
Wait, got the lights out, that bitch a while. Slap it up a pants out, back full of aisle. As a slippery slide out, coulda 30 times, she a come 30 times 4.
I have to commend him on how, he's flowing on rhythm. It sounds awesome. I can't believe this shit. This is my jam, man.
No back at time, you know see her for me time. No on the top of fly, she dey on the tip of climb. Bro, must see dollar kind. Money flick and dip in account. Antagonize if we have to reach a night code.
You must back at time, see, it's his time now. If you don't know, then you're very slow. You're behind time. It's obviously his time. And, she dip on the top of fly. She's on the tip of climb, no. Most a dollar kind, I'm not sure if he's referring to the tip the strippers or the dollar kind that he gives to his, foes or the ops, those niggas.
Rich and on talk, room full of shoes when you see they can't pass. Me say yes, I'm too small, no see where me want park.
Room full of shoes, I don't know where they're gonna pass. He's obviously referring to all of the shoes he has all over the place. Don't where you're gonna step. It's like a play on words, actually. Shoes referring to those,
All know me can't believe I saw the car fast. Switch and dark up the shift. Force like a rabbit on me dark so me.
I'm not sure what he said there, but I know he said force like a rabbit. Probably referring to the, females again.
So when me the 4, 4, 3, or 5, them on the bitch outside, and me know all of them want ride with me. Say hi, Nikki.
I know Nikki or two. Yup. I like the name. Pretty awesome name. Again, females.
The life we if we use the right lyrics.
Now here he is referring to his lyrics are not made up, not fantasy or that fiction stuff. I'm not sure if it's non or science or what that bullshit.
Well, let them all ride with me. Me team the band for when it's easy the band for rich majestic fraudulent. Coach no so for this is a tiny drip.
Okay, that's about sums it up. Hit that like button, that subscribe button. I'm gonna do a lot more Asian, some marksmen, some cartels, some